Go.
Welcome to another podcast of D Life. My name is Dr. Jasmeet. I'm a certified low carb nutritionist on the panel of D Life. D Life, which is actually a community for the Indians who are struggling to manage their metabolic disorders with the help of conventional medicines. And we on D Life follow a different approach. We have a group of experts who work together as a team to help those people reverse their disorders by adopting a healthy lifestyle. So we have already achieved more than 250 success stories on D-Life where people are already well managing their diabetes, hypertension. Women have reversed their PCOS, and there are many people who are well managing their weight by adopting a healthy low carb lifestyle. So we on D-Life come up with the new success stories for our viewers to encourage them so that they can also initiate a first step in their life to transform their health, because D-Life believe that everyone should know about LCHF as a tool to transform their health. Because the approach that we are using on D-Life of low carb lifestyle, it doesn't only based on the experience and opinion of the experts on the panel, but we are following approach on the basis of many unlimited scientific evidence which suggests us that LCHF is the only way by which we can tackle with the common root cause of all these disorders. Because we believe that these disorders, like high blood sugar, high blood pressure, and many more that come along as a side effect of these disorders, we believe that these are in itself not a disease. They are actually a symptoms that your body show up as a result of these the underlying disease known as hyperinsulinemia. And when the body has an elevated level of insulin, it becomes resistant to it because we are designed in such a way. If something is elevated, the body itself becomes resistant to that something. So we on T-Life follow the approach to tackle the root cause. And we help people to adopt a lifestyle in such a way that the body start responding to the insulin. So once the body will start responding to it, you will automatically start to see the changes, or these disorders will start to disappear. So we have already achieved many success stories, but today we have with us a new member of T-Life, Vivek Mishra from Mumbai. He has joined us recently, I think in around January 2021. And just within a period of 1 to 2 months, he is now completely off all his medications. So he was very determined, but yeah, you will listen his story from himself. So, but before we start with Vivek, I just would like to declare that this podcast is not meant to give any medical advice. We are just share we are here to just share our knowledge and our experience with you people. So before you make any changes in your diet, do consult with your doctor or a low carb expert. So I would like to welcome Vivek on the behalf of D Life team. Welcome, Vivek.
Thank you, Jasmeet.
So I would like you to begin with your introduction, like introduce yourself as a diabetic, when you first get diagnosed, and you were tackling with this disorder with the help of conventional medicine, and when do you get to know about the low carb lifestyle? Please.
I am Vivek Mishra, a nuclear engineer from Mumbai. And with respect to my history of diabetes, I first came to know that I am a diabetic person in 2007 when I was doing my MTech in IIT Mumbai. And the levels were high that it was 2007. My levels were fasting was 260 and post lunch was 420. Very high numbers. And at that time, the conventional medication, I mean, kheera, tomato, karela juice were given by my wife, and she was very concerned. And this was brought down. But since then, uh, I started medication, and the medication was glimepiride and metformin. And since till 2020 December, I was on this particular medication. But even with sometimes I used to take homeopathy. Acha, Ayurvedic, my wife was very hesitant because it affects kidneys also, some of the medications, not all. So I never took Ayurvedic medicine as such with homeopathy and allopathy. But the thing was, HbA1c was remaining some higher, more than 8 all the time. And sugar was in the range of 160. Post lunch, it was range of 200. And one mistake which I did was I was very casual with respect to my diabetes. That means casual means I was very irregular in the diabetes, the sugar level. So that was not a
Yes.
good thing. And
Since you were
I
not
will advise
doing
everybody
regular
to
checking.
whosoever is a diabetic, regular, yeah, regular checking is a must, because now I'm seeing the advantage of regular checking. It tells you what to eat, how much to eat, what not to eat. So this is the history of my diabetics. I'm diabetic since 2007. And recently, what happened when I went to Kanpur, I returned from Kanpur on the 6th of December 2020. And on 19th December, when I got my sugar checked, it was 220 fasting and 392 post lunch. Again, the numbers were very high. And on 9th Jan, I got checked in our hospital. So HbA1c was 7.9. I mean, it was 7.9 because from 19th December, I got it, I cut down all the
You
carbs
started
because
taking it seriously then.
I'm in touch with, yeah, I started taking things very slightly seriously, because I was in touch with, Anup. He's my batchmate from University of Roorkee. So I'm in touch with him since 2014 or 15, when D-Life was not formally launched. So and he used to tell me a lot कि ऐसा करो वैसा करो, तो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा करता रहता था. मैं सोचता था. And another thing, I was believing one false signal कि शुगर ज्यादा हो जाएगी तो गम ब्लीड करने लगेंगे, सर दर्द होने लगेगा, ऐसा वैसा, which is not a correct thing. Only monitoring, regular monitoring, which should have been done by me, was not done. But now I'm very particular with respect to monitoring. What happened in January, I switched over to LCHF. I joined LCHF formally, and since January, I, with the expert advice from all the from many of the members in the forum, I left all the grains. All means all. No rice, no dal, no mutton, no chana, no lobia, everything. Fruits also I left. And the advantage is that many of the symptoms which I had, like recently for the last 1 year, जो तलवे होते हैं ना, सोल, उसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा सेंसेशन होने लगा था. खुलना बंद हो गया था. ये खुलता है राइट हैंड. कभी जब मैं पार्टीज वगैरह में जाता भी था तो मैं फैमिली मेंबर्स को बोलता था कि यार आप पार्टी में जाओ, मैं बाहर बैठा हुआ हूँ. सो ऐसा भी होता था. तो ये सारे जो सिम्टम है ना, ये धीरे 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 खत्म हो गए. और जब से मैं LCHF में आया हूँ, विदाउट डूइंग, पहले मैं 10 किलोमीटर रोज वॉक करता था सुबह, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था उससे शुगर लेवल पे. अभी तो क्या है कि वो सीढ़ियां चढ़ता हूँ और LCHF फॉलो करता हूँ मेटिकुलसली, और उससे मेरा कुछ 9 किलो वजन कम हो गया. अच्छा लग रहा है. तो जितने भी चेंजेस है ना, अब लोग भी बोलने लगे यार आप तो बहुत दुबले होते जा रहे हो, कर क्या रहे हो. तो ये सारे जो मेरे को, एक जिसको आपने बोला ना कि जो स्ट्रगल करते हैं डायबिटीज मैनेज करने को, D-Life उनके लिए है. आपने बहुत सही बात बोली शुरुआत में ही कि एक हिंदी में कहावत है ना कि एक ही साधे सब सधे. तो आपने अगर LCHF ले लिया तो उसके जो एडवांटेजेस हैं वो मल्टीफोल्ड्स हैं और मुझे दिख रहे हैं. तो ये है छोटी सी मेरी डायबिटीज की कहानी, जो कि अभी डायबिटीज तो धीरे धीरे खत्म हो जाएगी. और दूसरी चीज ये हुई कि मैंने एडवाइस के बाद ग्लिमिपराइड पूरी तरह छोड़ दी है. अभी मैं मेटफॉर्मिन पे हूँ.
Now you are completely off all the medications except metformin.
नॉट ऑल. मैं ग्लिमिपराइड नहीं ले रहा हूँ. मैं 1 mg ग्लिमिपराइड लेता था, और अभी वो धीरे धीरे अनूप ने, शशि ने, अरुण वगैरह ने धीरे धीरे उसको टेपर करा के ग्लिमिपराइड बिल्कुल ही ऑफ करा दी. तो मैं ग्लिमिपराइड नहीं ले रहा हूँ. और जैसे सल्फोनिल यूरिया जो भी ड्रग है वो, विच अफेक्ट्स योर ऑर्गन्स, मैं सिर्फ मेटफॉर्मिन ले रहा हूँ 500 mg 3 times a day. होपफुली वो भी धीरे धीरे खत्म हो जाएगी.
Yeah, the way you are responding to it, definitely it will stop.
हाँ. और अभी मैंने 12 तारीख को एक टेस्ट कराया था, तो जो 19th दिसंबर को मेरा जो HbA1c 7.9 था, क्रिएटिनिन मेरा 1 के आसपास रहता था. तो वो अभी मैंने 12 फरवरी को जब टेस्ट कराया तो मेरा HbA1c 6.3 आ गया. और creatinine 0.74 आ गया। तो ये सारे एडवांटेजेस जो हैं। और कल जब मैंने शुगर टेस्ट की पोस्ट लंच पोस्ट डिनर तो 96 थी।
So it
तो
was
ये
the first time that you have seen
शुगर
below 100, na?
है। मैं जो नंबर्स में देख रहा हूँ ना, ये रिकॉर्ड बना रहा हूँ। ये ऐसा है।
Okay. So great, Vivek. So first of all, let me congratulate you first for achieving these good numbers.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
So I hope that your
थैंक
story
यू। और
will
ये सब जो
definitely
है वो
inspire. Really, you will inspire many people, I know. And I wish that you don't break this chain of inspiring people like this. If you keep on inspiring other as well, so one day I think definitely we can make the India pill free.
yes, yes, I can say that. Yeah, once Anup had told me that this is a miracle diet. Whatever is suggested on a forum is a miracle diet, and definitely I endorse his statement that yes, whatever is
Yes,
suggested
because
as far as the diet is
by
concerned, it's a
LCHF,
miracle
we are
diet.
directly tackling with the cause of the cause of these symptoms actually. So
Yeah.
until unless
See,
we
in engineering, we do the root cause analysis, and probably the root cause analysis for the diabetes is high carb content in the diet. So once you adopt a LCHF in your diet, you tackle the root cause, and once you tackle the root cause, all other associated problem, like you initially told, hyperinsulinemia, that is higher insulin in the body, and due to the body fat, visceral fat, lesser absorption of insulin in the cells to convert the sugar into energy. So those factors, once you adopt to LCHF diet, they are automatically taken care of. You need not take medicine for each and every problem.
Yeah, people are taking
So
medicines for hypertension, different medicines. For PCOS, they have other medications. And then the side effects of all these disorders, like you mentioned, neuropathy and other, the pain, inflammation in the body, the people take another medicines. But then none of them deal with the root cause.
Yeah, see, the thing is, you have to take the medication to treat the problem, alignment. So for any disease, you have to take the medicine. You take the medicine, but if you switch over to if you find out the root cause, which D-Life has found out, if you start treating the root cause, other medications will taper down slowly, and over a period of time, you need not take them with the expert advice of your doctor.
This is the aim of D-Life, because what I have seen that they first teach people, and just within a few days, people start to believe that the medicines were never the solution for their problems. So then they automatically switch to LCHF.
And one more thing. Sorry, I interrupted you. One more thing that is initially when I was during the transition period, I was daily updating them, my sugar values, and they were daily telling me, now you have to do this, you have to taper down the medicine. In fact, how many stairs you have to climb, that also advice was coming from them. Jada mat chalo, kam mat chalo. So everything I followed meticulously, and the results are. I'm very happy. I'm glad.
Great. Yeah. Okay. So my next question for you is would you please share that if you were having any misconceptions about managing diabetes prior joining D-Life, and how D-Life help you clear those misconceptions?
See, the misconception with respect to first misconception was with respect to food. That means only wheat and rice is the culprit. But the thing is, other than wheat and rice, all other cereals, bajra, ragi, jawar, chana, rajma, सब में कार्ब कंटेंट तो होता ही होता है. सो और दूसरा मिसकंसेप्शन ये था कि मुझे ये लगता था कि जो डायबिटीज मैनेज करने के जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वही क्लियर नहीं था. हेलो,
या आई एम हियरिंग.
डायबिटीज मैनेज करने का कॉन्सेप्ट ही क्लियर नहीं था. जैसे मैंने क्या किया कि एक दिन मैंने बाजरे की रोटी खा ली, थिंकिंग दैट कि नहीं बाजरा तो नुकसान नहीं करेगा, और उस दिन मेरी शुगर 253 आ गई. सो इट लोडेड माय बॉडी विद द कार्ब. और बहुत से लोग ये बोलते हैं कि नहीं, ये जो स्लो रिलीजिंग कार्ब वाले सीरियल्स हैं ये आप खा सकते हैं. सो दैट वाज अ मिसकंसेप्शन. ये मेरे हिसाब से या मेरी बॉडी के लिए सही नहीं है. हो सकता है इन जनरल भी सही ना हो, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली इट इज द वंस व्हेन वी से LCHF, इट्स अ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ कार्ब. तो ये सबसे बड़ा मेडिकेशन था। दूसरा ये है कि बाकी जो ट्रीटमेंट के तरीके हैं वो रूट कॉज को, मुझे लगता था उससे डायबिटीज सही हो जाएगी, बट क्या वो रूट कॉज को जहां तक हो सकता है वो एड्रेस नहीं कर रहा है। रूट कॉज ये है कि विद हाई डायबिटीज वैल्यू आप कुछ भी एक्सरसाइज कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, प्राणायाम योगा जो भी कर लो, वो जब तक आपकी बॉडी की केमिस्ट्री सही नहीं होगी ना, आपको फायदा नहीं करेगा। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू rectify the chemistry of your body before doing any exercise. Same exercise now benefits me much more than it was benefiting me earlier. वो एडवांटेज मिल रहा है।
Actually, people don't know
food
that.
का एक बहुत बड़ा misconception था।
Yeah, this thing must be clear with the people. I think because I have seen that people start to find another options. When we say that don't eat wheat, don't eat rice, they look for the other options. Like you said, millets. Nowadays, millets is hype. Everybody is following like it's like low glycemic and all. And another thing is then they say that we are doing exercise, but until unless your diet is correct, no exercise can outrun a bad diet. So these concepts must be clear.
जसमीत क्या है कि आपको एक्सरसाइज फायदा करेगी, बट आप पहले अपनी बॉडी की केमिस्ट्री आप सही करो। और एलसीएचएफ जो और एलसीएचएफ और डी लाइफ की मेथोडोलॉजी है ना, वो आपकी बॉडी की केमिस्ट्री को सबसे पहले फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे एड्रेस करना चालू कर देती है। तो उससे क्या हो जाता है कि अब जैसे क्या है कि दूसरे जिस दिन मेरा बाजरा खा के 253 आया था शुगर, नेक्स्ट डे मेरा बाजरा नहीं खा करके मैंने कुछ और खाया था, जैसा जैसे उन्होंने बताया दूसरे दिन मेरा जो है वो पीपी 85 आ गया था।
Okay.
So from 250 through 85.
Yeah.
So that means कि ये फिर वो 85 से धीरे धीरे दवाइयाँ एडजस्ट कर करा के अभी नाउ आई एम 96, 101, 102, पर जो जैसा खाना मुझे बताया गया डी लाइफ फोरम में मैं वैसे ही खाता हूँ।
और लॉजिक इज वेरी सिंपल, जितना आप टॉलरेट कर सकते हो उतना खाओ।
या ह्यूमन बॉडी इतनी वंडरफुल मशीन है ना कि कुछ दिन बाद आपकी बाकी चीजों को देखने की भी इच्छा नहीं करती।
Seriously, just I think it takes 3 to 4 weeks. After that, your body start to understand.
हाँ, वो आपकी बॉडी को समझ में आ जाता है कि
आपके लिए क्या all the cravings it starts to go.
क्रेविंग्स खत्म हो जाती है। देखिए मिठाइयाँ वगैरह तो मैं पहले भी नहीं खाता था, पर मुझे लगता था कि मिठाइयाँ नहीं खा रहे हैं शुगर कंट्रोल हो जाएगी, रोटी खाने से क्या होता है, पराठा खाने से क्या होता है, तो मुझे लगता था कि
even for sugar also I have seen that people are looking for other options like jaggery and other things because they don't understand the basics. They always look for the options.
हाँ, दो चीजें आपने सही कही, they do not understand the basic and second thing is दवाई खा लो काम करते रहो।
Yeah, this is the mentality of most people I have seen.
जैसे क्या है कि मुझे थोड़ा ये कॉन्सेप्ट सही नहीं लगता है कि मेडिसिन खा लो और काम करते रहो। खाओ मेडिसिन, लेकिन जो जितनी मिनिमम रिक्वायर्ड है, और ऐसे रास्ते पे आ जाओ कि जहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही चीज के लिए दवाई खानी पड़े, 10 चीजों के लिए दवाई नहीं खानी पड़े। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, अपने एक्सपीरियंस से मैं ये कह सकता हूँ।
Yeah, it's good. So your experience is definitely, I think, inspired really many people. Yes, so I would like to ask one more question to you, Vivek. As now, I think you have spent almost 1 to 2 months with D Life, no?
Yes, 2 months, nearly 1.5.
Yeah, based on your experience, what are your thoughts about the self-management of diabetes with LCHF? So I mean to ask that, would it have been possible for you to manage diabetes using LCHF dietary pattern if you had not been a member of D Life?
Not at all. See, the thing is, once you visit their forum, and the kind of work they have done and the kind of database with respect to food they have, and in addition, they have got the experience of 250 successful stories where they have hands-on data. क्या किसको फायदा किया, क्या नहीं किया। छोटी सी बात बताता हूँ, दही खाने से नुकसान नहीं होता है। होता है ना, हंकर्ड खाइए तो नहीं ज्वाइन किया होता तो मैं दही खा रहा होता, हंकर्ड नहीं खाता। सो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें जो है ना डायबिटीज के मैनेजमेंट के लिए इतनी यूजफुल है ना, ये स्मॉल थिंग्स, दे आर वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स,
बट दे आर रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल।
ये दे मेक अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस। हाँ, दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल। तो इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ इस फोरम को ज्वाइन करना मेरे लिए बहुत ही, मेरे लिए। और सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट जो है ना, सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट में थोड़ा एक टर्म मैं और जोड़ूंगा, फैमिली मैनेजमेंट, पर्टिकुलरली सपोर्ट फ्रॉम योर वाइफ
Yeah, support is very
और हस्बैंड।
important.
हाँ, तो इस पूरे जो प्रोसेस में मुझे मेरी वाइफ ने बहुत सपोर्ट दिया। सो जैसे
Yeah.
वो अनूप बोलते थे, जैसे किसी ने बोला ना कि ये फोरम में बोला कि नहीं 100 ग्राम ये चीज खानी है, तो बाकायदा 100 ग्राम तौल के वही वही बनाती
Mhm.
है, वही सारी चीजें। सो आई एम गेटिंग ए सपोर्ट फ्रॉम माई वाइफ एंड दैट हैज बीन वेरी हेल्पफुल।
Yeah, supportive system is important because D Life was also there at each and every step of your transition, and your family was also there with you.
क्या है ना कि
So,
जैसे मैं यूपी का हूँ, और यूपी में ये होता है कि अरे रोटी नहीं खाओगे तो चलोगे कैसे।
mhm.
खाई नहीं खा रहे हो things happen to be very good for me.
Mhm.
What is what by joining the DLF, सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट तो मैं पहले भी कर रहा था, उतना नहीं हो रहा था।
Okay. So, one more thing I would like to ask you, like, you already told that you are very much convinced and very much determined. Please tell us, our viewers, that how do you manage with LCHF at the social events? Because our Indian culture, as our tradition is like this, that whatever event it is, you see a lot of sweets, carbohydrates, loaded food. So it's really very difficult to find out the food. The options are very less. So is it able to manage on some social events?
मैंने अभी रिसेंटली काफी सोशल इवेंट्स अटेंड किए हैं,
Mm-hmm.
और अगर आप डिटरमाइंड होते हो तो सामने वाला आपको फोर्स नहीं करता है।
Yeah.
और
If you
कोई
have
भी
aim.
सोशल इवेंट हो, वहां पे नाउ यू नो, जैसे मुझे 1.5 महीने में पता चल गया कि मैं क्या खा सकता हूँ,
Mm-hmm.
तो आपको अपने खाने योग्य चीज तो थोड़ी बहुत मिल ही जाएगी। और आप सोशल इवेंट्स में अगर जा रहे हैं तो यू गो प्रिपेयर्ड।
Mm-hmm.
नो
So,
बडी नो, इफ यू आर डिटरमाइंड ना, लोग आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं बट दे कैन नॉट फोर्स यू।
mm-hmm. Yeah.
एंड आप उनकी रिक्वेस्ट एंटरटेन कर लीजिए थोड़ा सा, बिकॉज नाउ यू नो व्हाट यू वांट टू ईट, हाउ मच यू कैन ईट। कभी कभी मैं ये भी बोल देता हूँ मेरा फास्ट है।
Mhm. Okay. So nice. So I understand that you are very determined and convinced. So what I think, I hope that you will follow LCHF lifelong, because I know that once you are a diabetic, you have to follow it. Otherwise, you will come back to the initial numbers. But still, I would like to
सी
ask
द
you
थिंग,
that what do you think about the sustainability, or will you be able to stay consistent on this diet maybe for next 5 years or more?
सी द थिंग इज the kind of problems I had,
Mm-hmm.
and the kinds of advantage that I am having right now. So
Mm-hmm.
that gives me determination to follow this life, this style.
Mm-hmm.
And once, see, the thing is, human body has got a self-healing system.
Yeah.
So it gives me some tolerance with respect to my carbohydrate intake. Maybe it
Mm-hmm.
may slightly increase. So
Okay.
I will, I am determined to follow this particular lifestyle, and
Okay.
because it is very advantageous for me, and
Yeah, once in a while,
health is
person
very
can
important,
teach, and then.
and the importance of health,
Mhm.
health is really very important,
Yeah,
because जैसे कहते हैं ना कि बाद में दो ही चीजें आपके काम में आती हैं आपको। हेल्थ, हेल्थ अगर सही है तो सब कुछ सही है। सो
Mhm.
वो जो फैक्टर है ना, वो मुझे डिटरमाइंड रखेगा ही रखेगा।
Yeah, very nice. Really.
और कभी देखिए क्या होता है कि समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि थोड़ा बहुत वैल्यूज इधर उधर हो सकती हैं। तो
Mhm.
नाउ यू नो कि अगर
How you
आपकी
have to
शुगर
tackle
लेटर
those?
से 90 से 140 150, व्हेन 150
Mhm.
चली भी गई है, तो आपको ये भी मालूम है कि आप 1 या 2 दिन में आपकी शुगर वापस नॉर्मल आ जाएगी। आपको
Mhm.
क्या करना है? तो ये जो
Mhm.
मेथोडोलॉजी है ना, हाउ टू ब्रिंग बैक द थिंग्स टू नॉर्मल, ये डे लाइफ ने मुझे सिखा दिया।
Mhm. So it's great.
और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि जब आपके नंबर्स कम होते हैं और बाकी चीजें नॉर्मल होती हैं तो फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि चलो
Yeah, of course.
इतने दिनों के
Everybody
बाद कहीं
wants
एक
you to
सोल्यूशन तो
see.
मिला।
Yeah, yeah. Family members, for
या
family members, it's important. Your health is more important to them other than the food and all these things. Mhm. So, okay. So, one more question for you. Um, though I know that you will definitely recommend people around you day life,
या
but please give some reasons behind this. Why people should join day life?
see there are many reasons why people should join D Life. The first reason is that the methodology is very scientific and attacks the root cause of the diabetes.
Mhm.
Second thing is that the it gives you a direction to manage your blood sugar and thus cure your other problems also. So it gives you a direction. The third thing is that what you see, each and every medication, I'll not say allopathy, homeopathy, or Ayurvedic, has got, because it's a chemical, so it will affect some or other part of your body and might be affecting. So the methodology which is adopted by one individual, slowly many of the medications are not required or their quantity may reduce. And that is why, and the only thing is you can manage your lifestyle by changing the dietary pattern. So these are the three reasons I will, if I tell anybody to join D Life, these are the reasons. And the fourth reason, which I'll tell you, the effect are seen within a day or two. Once you switch over to this life, normally what happens, इतनी fast, इतनी जल्दी जो है ना किसी चीज में, हाँ आप जो वो बता रहे हैं उसको अगर आप फॉलो करोगे, उसका पालन करोगे, तो आपको 1 या 2 दिन में जो रिजल्ट्स आ जाते हैं वो आपको खुद ही मोटिवेट कर देते हैं. तो मैं तो ये रीजंस बताऊंगा किसी को भी.
I would also like to add something in this. Like Vivek has already mentioned many things. Like he's very much determined, no doubt in that. But the determination, how the determination comes is the day life has helped him, because now he is very much convinced that there is no other way. This is the only way that by which he can reverse, rather than managing, he can reverse. And now he's also believing that slowly his carb tolerance will also increase, because he's tackling with the root cause. Once he's trying to make his body more sensitive to the insulin. So this is the way that, because people, yeah.
एक चीज मैं और बताना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला कि विथ हाई कार्ब हाई इंसुलिन लेवल आप कितनी भी एक्सरसाइज कर लो, वो आपकी बॉडी को उतना इफेक्ट नहीं करती है. पर जब आपकी बॉडी की केमिस्ट्री सही हो जाती है ना, तो आपको जितनी एक्सरसाइज आप पहले कर रहे थे आप करो, आपका बॉडी टॉलरेंस पे डिपेंड करता है. आप अगर थोड़ा भी एक्सरसाइज करोगे ना, तो वो आपकी बॉडी को पहले से ज्यादा फायदा देगी. ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन. लोग क्या है, 1 घंटे 45, लोगों का आजकल इतना समय नहीं है कि लोग 45 मिनट 60 मिनट एक्सरसाइज में दे पाए. सो थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज करके, which is required by the body for the body, आप उतना
day life
करके
help people in not only in the diet, but I think all other factors were also taken into account, like the nutritional imbalance. If a person is having any imbalance in the nutrition, there are other factors also, the stress hormones, because there is no general diet that is planned for each and every person on day
there is
life.
no general diet. There
Yeah,
is no
because
general diet.
yeah, they
For
deal
example, जब
on an independent
मैंने
level.
अपने ब्लड या जब मैंने अपनी ब्लड रिपोर्ट शेयर की इनके साथ, आगे भी शेयर करूंगा, तो पूरी ब्लड रिपोर्ट देख करके बताना कि आपका ये पैरामीटर इसलिए आउट है, तो इसके लिए ये वाली मेडिकेशन इतने दिनों तक ले लो. तो ये सारी चीजें भी वो काफी हेल्पफुल है मेरे लिए.
Yeah, because every person has a different extent of insulin resistant. So depending on the extent of resistant you are to insulin, so you have to accordingly plan your carbohydrates. So like you said, now you are seeing that you will increase the carb tolerance in future. It means your body is becoming sensitive to the insulin now.
यस मेरा जो वेट रिडक्शन हुआ और बाकी चीजें भी जो हो रही हैं, हो सकता है कि मेरा बॉडी का जो इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस है वो कम हो जाए. एक चीज मुझे और पता चली कि जैसे लोग हम ज्यादातर इम्फेसिस रहती है कि फास्टिंग ब्लड शुगर और पीपी मेजरमेंट में, तो वन मोर थिंग व्हिच आई केम टू नो, फास्टिंग इंसुलिन, that is a very important
Yeah,
parameter for
fasting insulin, because
monitoring.
nobody measure fasting insulin. So if doctors
So
they
अभी
start to
मेरे
measure
ख्याल से
insulin,
ये
I think we can easily find out the problems might be
probably
decade ago.
yeah, definitely,
Mm-hmm.
definitely. So that is a very important thing, and that should be measured. I mean, that should be. I will not say any. I will not comment anything. But मुझे इससे बहुत फायदा हुआ कि
Yeah, on D
फास्टिंग
Life, I
इंसुलिन की
think we
इम्पोर्टेंस
insist
मुझे पता
everybody
चली.
to measure fasting insulin first,
Yes,
and then we start to plan
very
their
very
diet.
करेक्ट है. बट द थिंग इज फास्टिंग इंसुलिन भी किस कंडीशन में मेजर करना है,
Yeah,
ये भी
that is
मुझे डी
also
लाइफ नहीं
important. If
बताया.
you are on drugs, or are you on, if you are on insulin, then
करेक्ट.
there are other
या
methods to measure
या
if
यस.
you're producing
सो
endogenous
द थिंग
insulin or
इज,
not. Mm-hmm.
तो वो मैंने वही बोला ना कि जो जो एक्सपीरियंस, जो रिच एक्सपीरियंस डी लाइफ का है ना, वो उससे छोटी छोटी चीजें जो माइक्रो लेवल पे मैनेजमेंट किया जा रहा है, उसका मैक्रो लेवल पे फायदा मुझे मिल रहा है.
Yeah. So, okay, Vivek, one more last question to you. So, as you have but
या
already mentioned that, what are the other changes have you noticed in your body? Either it is negative or positive. You have already mentioned few of them, like you have inflammation. Now you don't have any kind of
सी
pain in
द
your
थिंग
body.
इज अदर चेंजेस, जैसे क्या था कि मेरे जो जिसको डायबिटिक न्यूरोपैथी बोलते हैं, अगर वो था पैरों में जो सेंसेशन होता था सोल पे, ये तलवे जिसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में, वो चला गया. फिर मेरे हाथ की जो प्रॉब्लम थी, मेरा दाहिना हाथ पंजा खुलता नहीं था, वो प्रॉब्लम अभी मुझे नहीं है. एनर्जी लेवल वो सही है कि नॉर्मली क्या होता है ना कि आप लंच करो उसके बाद आपको बढ़िया सी नींद आती है, तो वो सारी चीजें तो एनर्जी लेवल, कंसंट्रेशन, ये सब सही हो गया. और दो चार जैसे स्किन पे दो चार जगह बॉयल्स थे, दाने होते हैं ना छोटे फुंसियां, वो अपने आप चली गई, कब चली गई पता ही नहीं चला. तो ये सारी चीजें तो, और जो मेन प्रॉब्लम जो मुझे, जिससे मैं बहुत परेशान था और जिससे बाकी लोग भी परेशान थे, सर दर्द. मुझे राइट साइड में बहुत दर्द होता था. इट वाज नॉट माइग्रेन, पर हो सकता है शुगर ज्यादा हो जाती हो तब होता होगा. तो वो शिकायत मेरी अभी 95% तक खत्म हो गई है. तो उसके लिए मुझे बहुत सब लोग खुश हैं कि हाँ चलो
Yeah,
यार ये
migraine is
प्रॉब्लम.
also one of the symptom of insulin resistance. When your brain doesn't get glucose, so you at that time you start to see them.
बट अब ये जरूर है कि अब मुझे थोड़ा ये ध्यान देना पड़ेगा कि मेरी शुगर थोड़ी और नीचे ना चली जाए. सो ये थोड़ा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा.
No, no, but you are
होपफुली मैं जिन दवाइयों पे उन पर नहीं जाएगी.
no, no, you are. I don't think so. That now you are only on metformin.
Yeah,
Yeah, with
I am only
metformin.
on this. Yeah. और तीसरी चीज क्या थी कि जो ब्लड रिपोर्ट पढ़ के बाकी चीजों के बारे में आप लोगों ने बोला था कि नहीं ये चिंता करने की, लिपिड प्रोफाइल के बारे में चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उससे भी थोड़ा एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया. क्योंकि लोगों का जैसे लोगों का मानना है ना कि ये ट्राइग्लिसराइड या कोलेस्ट्रॉल बहुत बढ़ जाएगा तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी. हाँ, जब आप इस डाइट पे जाते हो और जब आपका वेट कम होता है तो ये चीजें बढ़ जाती हैं, बट धीरे धीरे वो सही हो जाएंगी.
Yeah, while losing weight, you will release fat, na? So your triglyceride levels rises for the time being, and then again it comes back.
Yeah. So ये सारी चीजें मुझे जो एक कांस्टेंट सपोर्ट मिला ना उससे, और उससे मेरा डिटर्मिनेशन भी बढ़ता गया. और जो नंबर्स में देखता गया, रेगुलर मॉनिटरिंग, मैंने पिछले 1.5 महीने में कम से कम नहीं 50-60 बार शुगर अपनी देखी है. और वो देख देख के मुझे ये पता चला है कि मुझे क्या चीज कितनी फायदा कर रही है और क्या चीज नहीं खानी है. उसका बहुत एडवांटेज मिला है. ये मैं पहले नहीं करता था. तो जितने, मेरा एक मैसेज ये जरूर जाएगा सभी लोगों के लिए, whether they are diabetic or they are non diabetic. अगर नॉन डायबिटिक हो तो ठीक है, फ्रीक्वेंसी कम रखो, मॉनिटर जरूर करो, शुगर जरूर मॉनिटर करते रहो अपनी.
Okay, so thank you so much, Vivek.
Welcome.
So I hope that your story will inspire many people, and more people will follow low carb, high fat dietary pattern in the future.
See, you follow low carb, but you join this forum.
Yeah, it's important. The support is important.
So that because the thing is, following something, if you follow under a guideline, then it will make more impact and more difference. मैं भी कार में पहले नहीं लेता था, उतना ज्यादा नहीं लेता, मैं भी नहीं लेता था कार, but the thing is, गुरु चाहिए हर जगह, आपको गुरु चाहिए. तो वो
in the initial phase, that during the transition you need somebody. So without the supportive system you can't.
हाँ, सही बात है.
Most of the people fail even with LCHF if they don't have any supportive system like Day Life.
You have to have a supportive system. You have to have a supportive system. Otherwise मैं बाजरा खाता रहता.
Okay. So thank you so much, Vivek. I wish that you keep inspiring people around you as well, and never break this chain. And once I think we will definitely reach more audience, and we will make India pill free.
Definitely.
Okay. So I think now the session is open for the question and answers.
Yeah.
So from the viewers, if anybody would like to ask something.
Hi, Jasmeet. Hi, Vivek. This is
Anjali
here. Vivek, fantastic story. In fact, आपका जो story है, I've kind of integrated that and created written something about it as well. Very, very inspiring. आपका जो determination है. So,
thank you, ma'am.
And I've seen your journey as well on the forum.
Thank you, Anjali.
It's been excellent that you kind of just blindly, जैसे कि बोलते हैं घोड़ा का जो blinders होता है ना, you've shown that blinders only to the group, followed exactly what everyone has recommended in the group, and you've seen the results for yourself. So congratulations on that. Very, very great. So I just have one question for you. Not as a general approach. जैसे कि आप, from what I understand, you are a vegetarian, right?
नहीं, अभी मैं अंडे खाता हूँ.
So
Day Life make everybody start eating eggs, na?
So I think that is still considered to some extent being a vegetarian. So I just wanted to know कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है. बहुत सारे लोग जब हम लोग LCHF के बारे में बात करते हैं या किसी को बताते हैं कि आप ये अडॉप्ट करो, तो फर्स्ट थिंग पीपल गेट स्कैर्ड कि नहीं मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ, मैं कैसे गिव अप कर सकता हूँ. तो आपका कैसा था वो एक्सपीरियंस एज अ वेजिटेरियन? आपने जो ऐसे माइंडसेट अप्रोच किया था, आपका वो माइंडसेट तब कैसा था?
नहीं, देखिए, मेरा क्या था कि मैं अंडे पहले से खाता था, और कभी खाता था कभी नहीं खाता था, पर अब मेरा बहुत रेगुलर हो गया है. और जैसा कि ये भी है कि बहुत सी और चीजें हैं खाने के लिए LCHF में. और मैंने एक बार एक क्वेश्चन पोस्ट किया था कि एक सर्टेन डेज को मैं अंडे नहीं खा सकता, तो उस दिन मैं क्या खाऊं. तो फोरम की तरफ से तुरंत जवाब भी आ गया था कि उस दिन आप ये खा सकते हैं. सो देयर आर अदर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल. अगर आप, हो सकता है आप कुछ लोग मंगल को अंडा नहीं खाते, कुछ लोग बृहस्पतिवार को नहीं खाते. मैं ही मंगल और बृहस्पति को नहीं खाता हूँ, बट मुझे इतने दिनों से कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई मैनेज करने में उन 2 दिनों में.
एक्सेलेंट. तो आपको वो प्रैक्टिकली आपको कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ा, उतना ज्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्शन आपको नहीं पड़ा फॉलोइंग LCHF in the past 1.5, I would say 2 months now, almost.
या नहीं, मुझे एब्सोल्युटली, देखिए, शुरुआत में लगता है, बट जैसे क्या है कि मैं पहले मीठा नहीं खाता, तो मेरी मीठा खाने की इच्छा नहीं होती थी, क्रेविंग खत्म हो जाती है. तो अब मेरी जो है ना, बाकी चीजें खाने की इच्छा ही नहीं होती. मुझे मालूम चल गया है 15-20 दिन में कि मैं ये चीजें खा सकता हूँ, और मेरी उन्हीं चीजों को खाने की इच्छा होती है.
Very nice.
Actually, Anjali, because he was very much convinced. Actually, for him, health is important. So absolutely, that's why he is managing very well.
Absolutely.
जिसके लिए health important है, I think for them, nobody can stop
health
them.
Health is important for everybody. Yeah.
I completely agree with you.
There are some exceptional cases I have seen.
No, health is important, but I think you and I have seen a lot of cases where many people, despite having bad health, they kind of find it difficult because they say, नहीं ये taste नहीं है, वो taste नहीं है, वो opportunity नहीं है, वो नहीं. So it's wanted to know from his side as to how did he overcome that, because it's not very easy to shift.
But it's not difficult as well.
It's not very difficult. We know it. So it all comes from the mindset. So the idea was for him to share what his mindset was, so that the other people also in the group and
हाँ मैं एक चीज ये कहूंगा कि एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा रहती है कि रादर आई विल मेक ए स्टेटमेंट कि 5 इंच की जबान के लिए 5 फीट के शरीर को तकलीफ देना उचित नहीं है.
Yeah.
Shashikant, one question from me, please.
हाँ बोलिए भास्कर.
Sure.
Vivek,
Hello,
what
भास्कर जी.
do you eat fruits at all? आप fruits खाते हो क्या?
सर मैं जो फ्रूट्स मेरे को रिकमेंड किए गए फोरम में मैं वही खाता हूँ.
जैसे कि
Can I answer one on this? Actually, Bhaskar, it's like I already mentioned that on D-Life, there is not a general diet plan for everybody. So because we look into the reports and then we see the carb tolerance, each person have a different carb tolerance. It's depending upon how much resistant, how much they can tolerate fruit, how much carbs they can tolerate, how much fructose they can tolerate. So accordingly, we plan. So like he may be taking some fruit and might you not be able to tolerate that fruit. So it's not the same
नहीं,
for
अभी
everybody.
कुछ दिनों के लिए मेरे को फ्रूट्स मना किए गए थे. जब मैंने अपनी ब्लड रिपोर्ट डाली थी तो कुछ दिनों के लिए मेरे को ये फ्रूट्स मना किए गए थे. तो अभी मैं नहीं खा रहा हूँ और अभी मैं फिर से टेस्ट कराने वाला हूँ 13 तारीख की विद इन ए वीक. तब मैं फिर से रिपोर्ट पोस्ट करूंगा. लेट अस सी व्हाट दे से.
So Bhaskar sir, if I may address this. Okay, so Anup Singh does take fruit sometime. He takes a bit of apple, and mango season he doesn't leave. Okay, but there are different ways of taking it, and everything depends upon individual carbohydrate tolerance, how much you can tolerate, and to what extent you are following. Like I'm in a ketogenic range, so I totally avoid all fruits. I may just take 1 or 2 serving of fruit in a year. Maybe mango season comes, I might take just 1 mango. I'll just enjoy for a day. But everyone may require, everyone may not require, and everything depends on your goal. Yeah. बोलिए.
But अभी मैं एक भी फ्रूट्स नहीं ले रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
Shashikant, one thing is कि we say in LCHF the range is up to 70 grams carbs. So you can have fruits like strawberries and
berries. I have berries. I have strawberries.
I have
berries and avocados. Yes, everybody can take, I think.
Yeah,
most of the people tolerate this.
I was, there was some reason why I was not taking the name of the fruits, but now since you have told, strawberry and avocado have been told to.
Most of the people they tolerate strawberry and avocado.
What about constipation? What about constipation? On a low carb diet, constipation is a big issue.
सर मैं पानी खूब पीता हूँ. 3-4 लीटर पानी पी जाता हूँ और कुछ मैं योगासन जरूर करता हूँ. सुबह 15-20 मिनट का मेरा योगा का सेशन रहता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अभी तक ये प्रॉब्लम, रादर मेरी प्रॉब्लम तो और सॉल्व हो गई. ये इशू मेरे को नहीं आ रहा है.
Actually, for constipation also we have to consider many other factors also. It's not same. Some people might have some other reason as well for the constipation. But one thing is, whenever you are doing LCHF, we take into consideration that one is taking enough water, enough salt. But sometimes people have different issues as well. So accordingly, we take it into independent level. We have to see.
So Bhaskar sir, if I may address this, the thing is, so like Jasmeeta said, there are various issues, and then it is not that person suffers from this. It's only there are certain few individuals who might get it.
Correct.
And reason could be yes. Secondly, if you say the general population also suffers from constipation.
Yeah.
If it's not, why are we selling so much of Isabgol? Why are we selling so much of...
people are actually blaming LCHF. But LCHF is not the culprit here. But there are other things.
Culprit नहीं है. आप पानी नहीं पीते हो.
People don't drink enough water.
आप 3-4 लीटर पानी पीते ही नहीं हो दिन में. ठंड में पानी आप वाटर इनटेक आपको और कम हो जाता है. आप फाइबर नहीं लेते हो. सब्जियां आप कितनी ले रहे हो? जैसे मैं जब भी बाकी चीजें लेता हूँ तो उसमें आई इंश्योर की सब्जियां काफी मात्रा में हो. या आप अंकुरित मूंग ले लीजिए आप, तो आप स्प्राउटेड चीजें नहीं लेते हो. तो आपको सबसे पहले कॉन्स्टिपेशन के लिए LCHF को आई डोंट थिंक LCHF नीड टू बी मेयर की ये नहीं इसको लेने से.
But I would like to add one more thing, that fiber also doesn't work for everybody. That's what I'm saying,
Yeah.
that it's a different, people have different issues. So we have to take into account everything before we suggest that you take more fiber and all.
Jasmeet, I would like to add something here, that it's not the LCHF which can be blamed for the constipation or gastroparesis. Actually,
Right.
when you are diabetic, you are going to damage some of your nerves, and vagal nerve is one of them, which is in your gastrointestinal tract.
Absolutely.
So due to the low or damaged working of the vagal nerve or dysfunction of vagal nerve, actually food is not passing as usual it should be.
Correct.
And I endorse the view of Mr. Mishra, Vivek Mishra, that aap pani nahi pito. This is correct. Actually, I used to take about 12, 14 glasses in a day. My morning start with by 9 o'clock, I already consumed 7, 8 glasses. So that is the one issue. But blaming LCHF is not acceptable. I think LCHF has nothing to do with the constipation. So better you treat your first blood sugar, and then slowly you take this. Fiber is one part of this to relieve your constipation. So you can take Subgol, you can take Triphala, you can take flaxseed and all. But that is not I'm not telling you, it is due to your long-term diabetes or diabetes which has already damaged your vagal nerve. I think am I clear?
That's correct. That's correct.
Arun, you are very clear. The thing is, vagus nerve, which is a parasympathetic nerve, if it gets damaged, you cannot repair it.
You cannot repair.
The only thing to keep a vagus nerve healthy is music and meditation. These two things only can keep the vagus nerve very healthy, and deep breathing.
Yeah, deep breathing is very helpful.
Yeah, deep breathing, particularly for parasympathetic nerve, deep breathing.
Slow deep breathing.
When you exhale, like you do Bhramari Pranayam, like you do Onkar. So these things which have been adopted, I think centuries back by our rishis and sages, they are basically, and meditation, music. That is why the importance of meditation and music is there in Indian culture and history, because they activate the vagus nerve, which Arun said right now. Nobody is addressing this point.
Correct. Absolutely correct.
Okay.
Yeah, let me add one thing. With respect to constipation, I think US alone is a market for $3 billion per year for anti-constipation medications. That is point number one. Point number two, as everyone said, on low carb, even if you are, fat is reducing from body, fat is 16% water. So basically, you are losing water, and if you are not properly hydrated, water will be taken up by the body from the stool.
Right, very right.
So that is the main reason why people complain that, it is because of low carb that I'm having a constipation. It is not an issue of low carb. It is an issue of less hydration. So my only suggestion always has been, watch your stool, up your intake of fluid. Fluid can be tea, coffee, water, anything. Till that time, stool is soft. For example, at 5 liters per day, my stool is horrible. So I restrict to 4, between 3 and 4, and it is perfectly fine. That's all I want to say.
हाँ तो इंडिविजुअल पे डिपेंड करता है.
हाँ वही है. There's no thumb rule.
And I think a simple measure of just taking warm water in the morning, the first thing, if we do, itself will give relief to many. But there are many ways, and each individual have different requirements. Some may require magnesium.
कुछ लोगों को गर्म पानी सूट करता है, कुछ को ठंडा पानी सूट करता है. मेरे को ठंडा पानी सूट करता है. ये है कि आप अपने हिसाब से आप देख लो आपको कितना, जैसे अनूप ने बोला ना अभी 3 लीटर 4 लीटर 5 लीटर, थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करना पड़ता है, पर वो 2-4 दिन में पता चल जाता है.
Thank you very much, Anup.
Any more questions? Okay, Mr. Bal Subramaniam has sent a mail for a person with diabetes for 14 years. How long it will take after starting LCHF to reduce belly fat fully and to completely reduce tissue cell sugar? So this question Mr. Balasubramanian, first of all, it is highly individual and everything depends upon the extent of metabolic damage we are born. So it can be like Mr. Vivek Mishra, within 3 days itself. For some, it can be within the first meal, and for some, it can take a few months. For
नहीं,
some,
अभी ये बेली फैट की, हाँ बेली फैट की अगर बात है तो बेली फैट है कितना उस पर डिपेंड करेगा.
Yeah. And my wife has
ये
started,
जैसे
yeah.
If it's visceral fat, sometimes it takes long time.
It's good. Fat is going to take, I mean, to completely reduce tissue cell sugar. So that's what I was just addressing. So all this will take time. We keep a period of at least 3 months.
Actually, it also depends that about the carbs. If it goes into the ketogenic way, then ketones help it to turn into the brown fat.
So it can take, on an average, we always keep a period of 3 months. So
definitely, it will take that.
Provided how strictly we are following. Yeah. The other part of question, my wife, after 14 years of type 2 diabetes, started LCHF from 23rd February. Now it's only 12 days. She's taking medicine for Parkinson's and hypertension. And when can she take COVID vaccine? Now, I think this is a medical question. And when can she take a vaccine is, I think you'll have to consult a doctor. We are not authorized. We are not qualified to give this. And she's taking medicine for Parkinson's, hypertension. Yeah, okay. The part of this, for diabetes and hypertension can be resolved with LCHF. But for Parkinson, I strongly feel that she has to continue medicine. But then again, it's a medical question. I think for this is highly individual. But from an experience point of view, you cannot just get off Parkinson medicine. It's going to be difficult, Mr. Balasubramanian. So, maybe you can take care of the other factors. Yeah. I hope this addresses your question. So any more questions we have? No. He also wants to ask something, Tyson? You'll have to translate that, Anup. So I think that there are no more questions here.
Yeah, I think.
So, now, personally, from comment from my side for Vivek Mishra, this is really one of the excellent examples we have. A person who has responded in a very short time, and it is personally, it is your determination which has shown that you can just knock off medicines within a matter of few days. It is not even a month. I mean, within a matter of few days, you came off a drug called sulfonylurea or glimepiride. Which is one of the mainstay antidiabetics, and this is just what is called as pancreas whipping drug. More and more insulin is released. Whereas in your case, we have seen that you have enough endogenous insulin to sustain on a low carb diet. Yeah. So low carb is something which we say that it is an option should be given to all diabetics. It is an option. Yeah. See, some people may not go for it because they may not be willing to change the diet. That's okay. There are a lot of medicines available. Lot of new medicine, lot of new costly medications are available. But however, these do not really address the root cause. And as Vivek has told, if we really address the root cause, what is the root cause? Root cause could be various things like your carbohydrate tolerance. So if you're able to take your carbohydrate within the tolerance limit, you can just eliminate most of the drugs. And that's what we have seen. In this forum, we have seen people getting off even 80 units of insulin plus multiple drugs which they have been taking. So these are the few success stories we had. So congratulations, and please keep maintaining it so that you keep setting an example to everyone.
Your support.
Yeah, thank you.
So now I would like to thank all the viewers for joining us.
Thank you, Smith.
And for any updates, if you want to see any updates on Day Life, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for any details about the Day Life, do visit our channel www.daylife.in. I hope all the links will be there in the description box. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.